A ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet. It can be effective for weight loss and certain health conditions, something that's been demonstrated in many studies. A keto diet is especially useful for losing excess body fat without hunger and for improving type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. On a keto diet, you cut way back on carbohydrates, also known as carbs, in order to burn fat for fuel. In this beginner's guide, you'll learn all you need to know about ketogenic diets, including how to get started to achieve the best results safely and effectively. What is a keto diet? A keto diet is one that limits carbs and has many potential health benefits. When you eat far fewer carbs, your body begins to burn fat for fuel. This can put your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, your liver turns fat into small energy molecules called ketones, which your brain and other organs can use for energy. Eating a keto diet lowers insulin levels, often dramatically, which can help you access your body fat stores for energy. Many studies show significant weight loss on keto without having to count calories. Keto diets may have other positive health effects, such as reducing blood sugar levels. What to eat on a keto diet? Here are typical foods to enjoy on a ketogenic diet. The numbers are net carbs per 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, of food. To remain in ketosis, foods with lower counts are generally better. What's the most important thing to do to reach ketosis? Avoid eating too many carbs. You'll likely need to stay under 50 grams of net carbs, total carbs minus fiber, per day, ideally below 20 grams. The fewer carbs you eat, the more effective the diet appears to be for reaching ketosis, losing weight, or improving type 2 diabetes. Counting carbs can be helpful at first. But if you stick to our recommended foods and recipes, you can stay keto even without counting. Planning keto. With the right strategy, creating keto meals is easy. One way is to start by picking a protein source, such as meat, fish, seafood, eggs, or tofu. Then, to complete your meal, choose 2 low-carb vegetables and add a healthy source of fat. What to drink? What can you drink on a ketogenic diet? Water is the perfect drink, and coffee or tea are fine too. Ideally, use no sweeteners, especially sugar. A splash of milk or cream in your coffee or tea is okay, but beware that the carbs can add up if you drink multiple cups in a day, and definitely avoid caffeine lattes. The occasional glass of wine is fine too, but steer clear of sweet alcoholic drinks. Try to avoid. Here's what you should avoid on a keto diet: foods containing a lot of carbs, both the sugary and the starchy kind. Foods to stay away from include bread, tortillas, muffins, bagels, pancakes, pasta and rice, cereal, cakes, cookies, and other baked goods. Sugar and anything made with sugar. Most fruits and fruit juice. Also, avoid or limit highly processed foods and instead fill your diet with our recommended keto-friendly food options. Keto macros: carbs, protein and fat. When following a keto diet, the idea is to eat very few carbs, a moderate amount of protein, and just as much fat as you need to feel satisfied, rather than stuffed. Carbohydrates: limit carbs to 20 or fewer grams of net carbs per day, or 5 to 10% of calories. Although it's possible that you may not need to be this strict, eating fewer than 20 grams of net carbs every day virtually guarantees that you'll be in nutritional ketosis. Protein: eat enough protein to meet your needs. Most people need at least 70 grams per day, or 20 to 35% of calories from protein. Fat: include enough fat to add flavor. There's no reason to add lots of fat unless you need extra calories. Plus, many whole foods like eggs and meat contain plenty of fat. On a keto diet, about 60 to 75% of your calories come from fat. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.